Hello, I am Sunil Guleria and today I want to discuss with you that is how we can use inbuilt Python interpreter to type and interpret your commands, and we don't need to use any separate Python code editor or any Python IDE. So, how we can use that, how we can write suppose Python commands and how we can run one by one commands by using the Python interpreter. So, for that we know that we have installed the Python. So, we have to click on what, that is Python 3.9. You will click on this and you will see here one black window, and here you have some symbols that is greater than and greater than. Now, here you can suppose type your commands, and this is actually your Python interpreter, and you will type your commands and then every command will be executed immediately. So, I will write here suppose as usual I will use here print command, and print is used to display a message in Python. So, I can say that is welcome you in Python. So, now if you will press enter here, so you will see that is it is going to give you the output over here. So, on this interpreter window we can run one by one command of Python, and I am just writing here if you want to add the two numbers by using this Python interpreter. So, you can test here one by one command, only one command at a time. So, you can say num1 is equal to 100. Now, by this we know technically what is going on. It is going to store 100 into the num1, and then I am going to use here num2 is equal to let us suppose 20, and then I want to say res is equal to that is num1 plus num2, and then now I want to print, suppose print what, that is you want to print res. So, you can write like this, that is print res. So, it is going to display you 120. So, like this if you want to test suppose some your Python commands, so you can use Python interpreter to test and to compile and to interpret and to run suppose Python commands. And you should not concentrate on that is how we are going to store the value 100 into this num1 and 20 into the num2, because we have to discuss this later on. But now, this is actually one more method, that is how we can write Python code using the inbuilt Python interpreter if we are not using any separate and individual code editor for Python. So, thanks for watching.